topic is atmosphere, and this topic is of class 9, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me explain you about the atmosphere. That's all. Before starting the atmosphere, do anybody knows what is atmosphere? Can raise your hand. If anybody knows atmosphere, what exactly it is? Whatever the answers you know. Please answer and answer.
Atmosphere is the thin blanket of air that surrounds our Earth.
Very good, guys. I wrote here. Clap for him, everyone. Yes, obviously, I already wrote here what is atmosphere. Atmosphere is a thin blanket of air that surrounds our Earth. So I hope you all know what is the meaning of blanket and what is the meaning of air. Okay, air consists of many gases, right? So the atmosphere is also consists of many gases. Gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, neon, okay, and some more other gases which are present in our air, which they will include, they gave the name as the atmosphere today, okay. So come to the page number 36. Can you see this picture over here? The earth, can you see this blue color part?
Yes.
This is the layer of atmosphere. This is the layer of atmosphere. Okay. So by looking at this picture, we can imagine that it is like a blanket which is covered or surrounded to our earth, right? Okay. So I hope you all understood what is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the
Blanket of
thin
air.
blanket. Atmosphere is a thin
Blanket
of
air that surrounds our Earth.
that surrounds our
Earth.
Earth. So now coming to the layers of the atmosphere. Okay, we have studied what is atmosphere. Now let us know how many layers are there. Okay, so basically there are two layers of atmosphere. What are that? Homosphere and heterosphere. Homosphere and
Heterosphere.
These are the two main layers. In that layers, we have sub-layers also. Okay. So homosphere, it consists of height of 90 kilometers. Okay. So I hope you know what. We can say the word to height as a altitude also. Okay. Altitude is like both are having the same meaning. Okay. So we'll use the word altitude here instead of height. So the homosphere has the altitude of how many kilometers? 90 kilometers. So this homosphere has been divided into three layers. Divided into
Three layers.
The first layer is troposphere. So can you see here? The first layer is troposphere. This is the earth and this is the first layer. That is troposphere. Okay. This troposphere has the altitude of 12 kilometers to 18 kilometers. Has the altitude 12 to 18 kilometers. Okay. In this layer, you can see that all the weather changes can be occurred here, such as rain, clouds, okay, and cyclones, and what else? In this first layer, okay, what is that first layer?
Troposphere.
Troposphere. And you can find that in this troposphere, like aeroplanes, aircraft, okay, and parachute, all these things can be fly on it. And in this layer, you will find lots of turbulence. Turbulence in the sense, turbulence means lots of disturbance in weather. Okay, lots of disturbance in weather. So mostly this aircraft will go to the second layer, because in the second layer they will be having like smooth air. Okay, there will be no disturbance and all there. Okay, so I hope you all understood what is this first layer. The first layer is troposphere. The first layer is troposphere. It extends up to 12 to 18 kilometers of altitude. Kilometers of
Altitude.
on that layer, because there will be no disturbance there and easily they can move on from that. So mostly all the aircraft will prefer this layer to flying in. Okay. So next coming to the one more interesting part in this layer, that is ozone layer. I hope you have ever heard the ozone layer word, right? These layers, this ozone layer which is present in the stratosphere layer, it will protect, this ozone layer will protect us from the harmful UV rays of sunlight. Harmful UV rays of sunlight. Which layer will protect? Ozone layer, which is present in the stratosphere layer. Which is present in the stratosphere layer. Okay? These harmful UV rays, this ozone layer is protecting here, right? For that reason we are safe and secure in our country. I mean on the earth, right? If there is an absence of ozone layer, then we will be facing lots of disturbances and problems, because directly the sun rays will should not be fall on us, because you all know how the sun is, right? Clear?
Yes.
Now coming to the third layer, which is above of the stratosphere. Okay, what is the third layer? It is
Mesosphere.
So third layer is mesosphere, which extends up to the 80 kilometers of altitude. Okay, in this layer you will find very less amount of air present over there. Okay, and on these layers you can find the meteor.
Yes.
Do you know what is meteoroids? Shooting stars. Very good. It is also known as a shooting stars. Okay. So these meteoroids, this meteoroids is known as a small rock or the metal, okay, which is present in the third layer, that is mesosphere, right? So in this layer, when they are when they are moving in a speed, the friction will be created over there, right? The friction. Due to the friction, it starts burning up. Can you see here the picture how the meteoroids look like? It's also known as a shooting star, right? Usually in our daily life, we may have seen in our, mostly in night you can see the meteoroids, right? Shooting stars, something
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
playing over there. Okay? So these are the things that you can find in the mesosphere. Okay? So I hope you all got this. So the homosphere extends into three layers, that is troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. Okay? Now coming to the heterosphere. This extends above 90 kilometers of altitude. This heterosphere extends above
90 kilometers of altitude.
Okay? This heterosphere is divided into two sub-layers. Okay? Two sub-layers. What is that? Thermosphere and
exosphere.
Thermosphere and
Exosphere.
Now, can you see here thermosphere? Which layer is this? Fourth layer. Which layer is this?
Fourth layer.
Fourth layer. In this thermosphere, it extends up to the altitude of 400 kilometers. It extends up to the altitude of
400 kilometers.
Okay. Here, the temperature will increases rapidly. The temperature will increases
Rapidly.
with increase in the height. As the height will increase, as the altitude increases, the temperature will also increase in this layer. Okay, and then here in this layer you can find the charged particles. Okay, we also call it as a ions. Ions, you know, right? So ions is nothing but the charged particles. rockets, okay, and what, and many other, very good, and many other spaceships you can find here, which will be passing out the information to us, like weather satellites, okay, news satellites, all the other different kinds of satellites will be present over here, and these will be passing the information from space to the earth, okay. Through the satellites we will be getting the information easily. So mostly all the satellites, space stations will be having in these two layers, that is thermosphere and exosphere, okay. So I hope you all understood what is the atmosphere and how many layers are there in the atmosphere, right? Let us do the short recapitulation. Let us do the recapitulation over here, okay. So what is the atmosphere?
One.
So what is atmosphere once again?
Is the thin blanket of air that surrounds
So NCR stand up. What are the two layers of atmosphere? Okay. Yes. Very good. The two layers of atmosphere are homosphere and meteorosphere. Sit down. Very good. Start. Alpina, stand up. First layer in the homosphere, tropo. It extends up to the height 12 kilometers. So now, what is the fourth layer of the atmosphere?
thermosphere.
It extends up to the height of.
412.
In this layer, what you can find?
You can find the satellites, space stations.
So, what is the last layer of the atmosphere? What you can find in this exosphere? In the last layer also you can find the satellites. Alright. What is the second layer of the atmosphere? Stratosphere. It extends up to the height of 50 meters. What you can see in this stratosphere? Right? Which layer is present in the stratosphere? Which layer is present in the stratosphere? Ozone layer is there. This layer will be protecting the harmful UV rays of the sun. Clear? And Sonia, stand up.